right, so we're here on a Warmboard job site. Got the homeowner Brad with me, and we got Warmboard-S going down. So how's the process been so far?
It's been going well so far. A little bit slower than what the contractors are used to, but they're starting to get in the groove of things.
Yeah, so it's these guys like to blow and go with their 3/4 inch structural subfloor, but in the case of Warmboard, we actually got to follow a set of plans, so we're going one panel at a time. And then when they lay those down, they got to glue one panel at a time, because sometimes you got to drop it in, see if it fits, and then pull it back up, cut it. So yeah, it's definitely adds a little bit of time to the process. But these guys seem to be going pretty quick. For just starting today, they've already got looks like one whole row going down end to end on the house, and now they're starting to fill in off of that. So yeah, they should be probably decking this, finishing this up, and they'll probably be off the job in about an hour or so. They'll finish it up tomorrow morning. So Brad, we've got some pretty unique design details going on here. We were just talking about Steve Baczek, your architect. He designs his foundations a certain way. So you can kind of see this cross section down here. And walk me through the layers that you have going on.
Sure, so you have your footing for your column down here, and then on top of that, you have your 2 inches of rigid insulation. In this case, it's Halo Subterra. And then you have a sheet of poly on top of that, and then you have your basement slab. So we cored these out with sonotubes before they poured the slab, and we'll affix our columns to the footing down there, and then we'll come back and spray foam this, and then pour concrete over top.
Perfect. And then you can see here in the background, you also have our PEX tubing that's sticking out. So with Warmboard Comfort System, we do tubing in the slab in basements, and then of course Warmboard up on the main floors. But with this key detail, this is going to keep moisture out of the basement. And they're going to actually tie in this moisture barrier. You can actually see the poly coming up the wall. And that's going to tie into spray foam all the way up to the top of the rim joist, right?
Yep.
Beautiful. It's a detail you don't see a lot of architects doing, but Steve, who's designing some of the nicer houses in the U.S., he does details like that in all of his houses.